welcome back. It is math time, my favorite time of the day. All right, I have a number talk for you. Let's see if you can figure this out. Are you ready? All right, gotta get it ready. Hope I'm gonna trick you. Man, I hope I get you. All right, you ready? Here we go. Hand on my heart. I'm so smart. Sorry. Okay. All right, you ready? 5 seconds. Here we go. Okay. Think about strategies. What did you see? Say that number out loud. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see if you said the right answer. All right. I hope that you saw 9 up here at the top and you thought, hey, I can move this 5. I can decompose it. I can break it apart and I can give a 1 to the 9, turn it into a 10, and then I'm left with 4. And so I hope very quickly you think 10 and 4 make, who said it? 14. Kiss your brain if you said 14. I'm kissing your brain if you said 14. Good job. All right, so on your math packet today, in your math packet, I need you to look for Tuesday, April 21st. So this is the page you're going to work on today. So I have a story. I have a math story that I want to help you work, and then I want you to work these two by yourself, okay? All right, here we go. My math story that I wrote says, Sam found 5 red, 6 blue, and 4 yellow marbles. My question is, how many does Sam have? So he found some marbles. He found 5 red ones, 6 blue ones, and 4 yellow ones. So we've got to figure out how to solve this problem. So are we putting this number together, or are we taking something out of this story? If you said putting something together, kiss your brain again. Good job. We are putting these numbers together. So when we put something together, is that adding or subtracting? It is adding. Yes, we are adding these 3 numbers together. So here is your 2 options. 1, you could draw a picture. I could draw, there are my 5 red. And if I had crayons, I would probably do that. So there are my 5. There are my 6 blue. And here are my 4 yellow. So what am I really doing? I could count all. I could count all of those. But you know what? We've learned enough strategies in 1st grade that I don't think that you have to count that. I hope that you're not doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're not doing that. This is what I hope you're going to do. I hope that you're going to take these 3 numbers, and I hope that you're going to write them down just like I did. 5 plus 6 plus 4. And then put your thinking cap on. I want you to think, what 2 numbers do you see? Do you see 2 numbers that you know so fast? I hope you do. I hope you said, oh, Miss Smith, I see 6 plus 4. I hope you said that. 6 and 4 make, you're right, 10. So now I have 1 number left. I have a 5 and a 10. And when I put that together, 10 and 5 makes what? There's my friendly number again. I can do anything with a 10. 10 and 5 make 15. So Sam found 15 marbles when he was out playing outside. He found 15 marbles. All right, so on your paper, you have 2 problems just very similar to this right here. So I want you to work those two problems. Draw a picture, work it out, however you can get it, but I want you to circle your answer at the end so I can see what you are thinking, okay? All right, so either push pause or you can come back to these later because I'm going to move on to the next section. All right, this next section of this page is your thinking. We have something missing that we've got to solve. So right here, you see 13 minus 6. So I'm taking 6 out of that 13 that I have. Right here is this problem, okay? We're going to do this first one together, and then I'm going to let you see if you can do the other two by yourself. All right, so I need you to think. I need you to think for just a minute. This is a minus, but we know that we can always add. So we're thinking, if I start with 6, if I had my number path, and I had a 6 right here, and I need you to get to 13, think about what is in between. You know when we would put the paper clip, the clothespin on the 6, and we would put it on the 13, and we would count how many times it took us to get to 13. So that's what your brain is needing to think about right now. Okay? So I am on 6. So yes, I can count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it took me 7 jumps. 7 jumps. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count those. Let's see if we got the same thing. You remember, I don't start at 6. I don't count. I have to jump before I count. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took us 7 hops to get to the number 13. So 6 and what make 13? 7, yes. Now, I am wondering if someone thought of something different. I'm wondering if you thought, hey, I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. I wondered if anybody thought about it that way. 6, I know that 6 plus 6 gives me 12, and I'm needing to go one more. So I would know that that was a 7. That's another strategy that you can use. That's doubles plus 1. All right, so now we know that this is a 7. So what is 13 minus 6? 7 is your answer. Okay, so we did this one together, and you have 2 more right here, okay? Down at the bottom, would you practice writing your doubles for me? Just right here, you have some empty space. Practice writing your doubles, okay? All right, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Love you guys. Bye.